Hi, this is Suzanne Sullins from Buckhorn High School. Um, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing new Mac users how to locate applications, specifically QuickTime, on a Mac. The Mac doesn't have a direct equivalent to the Start menu. Instead, we're going to find similar functionality in 4 different locations. And so I'm going to show you all 4 locations in this tutorial. The first location is this long ribbon of icons, which is called the dock. Um, just like the Start menu, it has several default applications that are going to be the same for everyone's dock. And then you are also allowed the freedom to pin your own applications that you frequently use to your dock, just as you would pin to the Start menu. So these are some of the most frequently used applications that I use, so this is what I have pinned. Here's the QuickTime icon, which is the big silver Q. And I can actually just click on QuickTime and launch it from my dock. If you don't have it pinned to your dock, then you're going to have to use one of the 3 remaining methods. One of those methods, the next method, is the Launchpad, and it's also found on your dock. So it's this silver icon with a spaceship on it. You would just click on it, and then you get your overlay, which shows all of the applications on the particular Mac that you're on. So you may have different applications, and they also may be organized differently because you have the freedom to organize your apps however you want to. So I have 2 pages of apps. So I have 2 dots, and I would navigate to my second page just like you would navigate on an iPad to get to your second or third page of apps. I know that my QuickTime is in this folder, and so because it's outlined, I know this is a folder that has multiple apps in it. So I would just click on my folder, and my QuickTime is located on this bottom row on the far right-hand side. If I wanted to launch QuickTime, I could click on it, and it would launch, and this overlay would disappear. If I don't want to open anything, but I want to exit this overlay, I'm just going to click on my folder to close my folder back, and then I can click anywhere on the overlay to go back to my main screen. The third way to find an application is through your Finder, and your Finder is this icon. Typically, it is the very first icon on your dock on the left-hand side. You do have the freedom to rearrange your icons, so yours may not be there. But when you find it, you would just click on it. And the Finder is like your root directory of a PC, where it's going to list all of your files, your desktop, all of your documents, and we're looking for applications, so it also lists all of your applications. So we're just going to click on applications, and they are listed alphabetically. And so I'm already in the M's and the N's, and so I just scroll down a little bit, and there's my QuickTime Player. So I could just click on QuickTime Player and launch it from the Finder. If I don't want to launch it and I want to close this button, those controls are found over here on the left-hand side of your window and on a Mac, and so you would just click on the red X to close that out. The final way to locate an application is through your Spotlight. So up here on your taskbar in the upper right-hand side, there's an icon that looks like a magnifying glass. You're just going to click on that, and then you're just going to start typing in what you're looking for. So we're looking for QuickTime, and so I can just type in Q, and notice QuickTime already pulls up. So I only have one application that starts with a Q. If you didn't notice that and you kept typing, that's fine. QuickTime is still going to be there. So I can click on that and launch QuickTime from the Spotlight. So that's pretty much it as far as finding an application on your Mac. I hope that this helps you in locating it so that you can use QuickTime to do your own screencasts for your tutorials that you can submit and share with everyone. So if you have any questions or need any assistance, feel free to email me. My email is ssullins, SULLINS, at madison.k12.al.us, and my phone extension is 21015. All right, I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.